Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to set up Steelseries Sonar with OBS. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To start, launch the Steelseries software and navigate to its settings. Within the general section, locate and activate the Sonar feature. Once Sonar is enabled, access your PC's sound settings. Set Steelseries Sonar as both the default audio playback device and microphone. Now, access the Sonar settings within the Steelseries software. Utilize the volume knob on Steelseries Sonar to adjust volume levels according to your preference. Customize audio settings further by adjusting the equalizer settings. Now, connect your headphones or speakers to the headphone jack on Steelseries Sonar, ensuring a secure connection. Proceed to test the audio output by playing some sound on your PC. Confirm that audio is transmitted through your headphones or speakers connected to the device, indicating that Steelseries Sonar is operational. After adjusting the volume levels and equalizer settings to your liking, it's time to configure your Sonar with OBS. Now, launch OBS and click on the three dots next to Desktop Audio. Choose Properties, then choose to click Sonar Gaming. From the device drop-down menu, then hit OK. And next, navigate to Mic, Aux. Click on the three dots, choose to click Properties, then choose Sonar Mic from the device drop-down menu, then click OK. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.